Shivra guys. So today we are going to discuss the exception handling and the validation in Spring Boot. So for that one, first we have to add the dependency in the POM, which is a Spring Boot starter validation, and we have started the user services in which we have added this exception. Now in the see whichever the class you like in the Pojo you want to add the validation, not exception, validation, will add like this: address not null, name cannot be blank, address size, name cannot be less than 2 character, address email must be valid. Here you cannot put the name in the email. So these are some basic validation we have added. Now see in the we have created one global exception handler class with the annotation address rate range control advice on the class name. Here for that particular method we have added address exception handler with the value as a like exception name, and here we are returning some exception with the bad request. Same for suppose we have created here for user not found exception. So this exception we have created manually. So see here you can check user not found, this class is there. Here we have extended this with the runtime exception, and we have passed one message. Now where we are using this one, see here previously we are using runtime exception. If you will check here, so runtime exception we are having. Now we will do that, like we will change that to exception handler. See here user not found exception, so it will automatically throw the proper exception instead of just like a runtime exception. If you will not add this one exception global exception handler, definitely it will not give the proper exception. Now suppose in the get data we are having the in the get users we are having the three users that we have yesterday we checked, right? Like in the data.sql we have added these 3 record, Priya, Vikas, Priya and Amit. So these 3 records we got here, Vikas, Priya and Amit. Now in the post, suppose we are posting like a test 4, and here test 4, and in the email we are passing test 4 either example.com. see we have like enter the data. We'll check here. See test 4 here in the get we'll check test 4 will be there, test 4 @ example.com. Now see here suppose we are removing the name less than 2 characters. So here see it will give the error. Sorry, we have to use post. Here name cannot be less than 2 character from, see this one is from like user DTO, user cannot be less than 2 character. Suppose we are removing this @, so this will not be the email. So if you are passing this one, see name cannot be less than 2 character, then for email, for this parameter like for Pojo value, email must be valid. So this way you can like show the global exception, and this will be the helpful for you whenever you are pushing your code in the production. Definitely if you have to show the proper message in the like in the responses whenever there is an error. So this will be helpful for you in the longer run, guys. So here one more address valid you have to add in the controller, and other things I already told you. So this way you can handle the global exception in your like package or anywhere. Thank you.